Hi guys! So finally you can use any song as a ringtone on an iPhone. Now we will be using this music by Simpletone Tunes as a ringtone. To use any music as a ringtone on an iPhone, the audio length must be less than 30 seconds. So this audio is more than a minute, so let's trim it. To trim this audio, you can use VLC player or simply Google audio trimmer. This is the website, click on it and let's trim it. Choose File. By the way, you can do this on your phone too. Simply download the music and go to this website and trim the audio. Anyway, let me quickly trim it here. I would like to make it about 25 seconds. Make sure it is below 30 seconds. Let's crop it. And let me quickly download it. I will name it as Simpletone Ringtone and save it. So here is the trimmed audio. Now let's transfer this to our mobile. I would like to use a free website. Simply go to pairdrop.net. Also on your iPhone, go to the same website, pairdrop.net. Make sure your PC and iPhone are connected on the same Wi-Fi network. So it's detected. Let's transfer it. Here is a ringtone. Accept it and save to files. I will save it here, so the audio has been saved. Now let's open Files. And here is the audio. Open it. Make sure the audio length is less than 30 seconds. This is 25. Tap on this share icon and tap on More. And you can use it as a ringtone. Use it as a ringtone. And here is our music on the ringtone list. You can also delete this by swiping. And you can add as much ringtones as you like. Thank you very much.